My name is Christy Latham. I am the election administrator for Stevens County, and this is our new express vote machine. It is a machine that can be used to mark your ballot for you. You're not voting electronically. It's just a method of choosing on touch screen. The Handicapped American for Disabilities Act requires us to have one of these. But like for instance, a blind person can plug in these earphones and it'll talk to you, and there's a keypad that they can use to manipulate the ballot up and down, and it's touch screen. And what we can do is show you how it works, and anybody can use this. It's not just for the disabled. Anybody can use it, and they're really neat to use. The only problem is there's only one per precinct, so it would slow down on a huge election like we have coming up. It would slow down the voting process considerably if everybody used it. But anybody that wants to can. This little piece of paper is actually, when you use this express vote machine, it takes the place of the great big ballot. And so to start out with, you just insert the ballot into the machine, and it's scanning. And then you select, if there's a English or Spanish, we'll select English. And this is a sample, this is just a sample election. So the election is for your favorite dog breed. So we put Touch Rescue Dog. And then we're going to go to the next race. And this is your favorite beach. I'm going to put Galveston. Then the next race is your favorite way to spend free time. And you can pick two items there. It's not considered an overvote. Now, back on a race where it's a presidential race, it won't let you pick both of them. It'll come back up and say you can't vote for both of these candidates. Choose one or the other. Anyway, we go through in favor of making Election Day a national holiday, voting on Saturday. So you just go through and mark all your ballot selections, and when you get to the end, you can review all of the selections that you made. I voted for a rescue dog, Galveston Island, exercising and cooking, propositions, I voted yes and then no. And I look at that and I'm like, yes, that's what I want, or no, I didn't mean to do Galveston, so I'm going to back up and go back to Galveston and change that to Myrtle Beach. Okay, now go back through and I look at it and I go, yes, that's how I want my ballot. So I hit next, and it says your selections will now be printed, so I hit print card. And there's also there's something else that certain people with certain disabilities can plug in. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but and it conforms to their needs. The lady who was showing us this machine said they know the people who have those things. They know, oh look, I can plug this in here, and it helps them in whatever way that they're disabled. So my ballot now is this right here. Instead of putting it in the bottom, you put it in the top right here, and it's scanning, it's doing its thing, and it says thank you for voting, and that's all you have to do. Turn around and walk away.